TubeBuddy and VidIQ are two of the most popular YouTube growth tools in 2025, but they excel in different areas. Here's a breakdown so you can see which one fits your workflow better. TubeBuddy is a solid choice for creators who want practical utility tools to manage large numbers of videos. It offers bulk editing for titles, descriptions, and tags, upload checklists to keep content consistent, and canned responses for faster comment management. Its keyword research tool is straightforward, and features like tag suggestions help with basic video optimization. For established channels managing a big video library, TubeBuddy's bulk actions can save hours of work. VidIQ focuses on growth insights and content ideas. Its trending videos tool shows what's performing right now, with real-time views per hour. The Outliers feature highlights videos in your niche that are getting unusually high engagement, making it easy to spot content opportunities. VidIQ's keyword research goes further by including related phrases and real audience questions, perfect for generating video topics that match what viewers are actively searching for. It also includes content scoring, grading your titles, descriptions, and thumbnails to suggest improvements for better click-through and watch time. Summary: TubeBuddy is better for bulk video management and ongoing channel maintenance. VidIQ is better for finding content ideas, spotting trends early, and improving engagement with data-driven suggestions. If your goal is to maintain and organize a large channel, TubeBuddy offers the right tools. If your priority is growth, topic discovery, and maximizing reach, VidIQ delivers stronger results.